Sanctum 810 and MESA 811. So friend, AZZA has proudly to unveil its latest unlimited series cases, the Sanctum 810 and the MESA 811. And these uniquely designed products push the envelope in design aesthetics and trends. Metal frame and spacious glass enclosure along with its angle front fans deliver striking aesthetics and efficient cooling. And friend, the MESA 811's unique asymmetrical design accommodates various motherboard sizes, features brushed aluminum balls with grooves for airflow optimization, and offers multiple fan ports for enhanced ventilation. And this innovative enclosure cater to gamers and PC enthusiasts, redefining the possibilities for high-performance computing. And friend, it is highly compatible with hardware components and offers almost limitless freedom for water cooling setups. And its metal frame complements the transparent glass enclosure and brushed aluminum base for a nice balance of contemporary and industrial aesthetics. Within the aluminum base and a dual chamber component is throughout the integrated to ensure extensive cable management capabilities. And friend, the angle front 120 ARGB fans are positioned to optimize airflow dynamics, efficiently cooling the graphics card by drawing air through the front mesh cover. And friend, the Sanctum 810 can accommodate up to E-ATX motherboards, large GPUs up to 400 mm, tall CPU cooling towers up to 190 mm, and support up to 7 by 120 mm fans, ensuring robust thermal management and dispelling any cooling concerns. And friend, the second one, MESA 811, is features unique asymmetrical chassis that draws its inspiration from the striking form of icebergs. And the distinctive brushed aluminum walls features precisely crafted groove cutouts, strategically engineered to facilitate air intakes and exhaust, catering to both air and water cooling configurations. And it offers flexibility to house motherboard ranging from ATX to Mini-ITX form factors. And it boasts capacity to host graphics card with dimension extending up to 380 mm and offers support for CPU coolers with height of up to 140 mm. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the MESA 811 is priced at $369.99 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.